All right, this here is a Fusion Pro Mini, all new with a level and a 3/16 heel. These features are unlike any other square. As you see, you have heel offsets and the 3/16 heel. You can slide it side to side for whatever offset you like. Right inside here, you have your Scribe guides. So these lock in your pencil, your marking tool in place very well. As you see here, there's a ruler-like heel and the level inside. So you can plumb this way, you level, and you have your angles right there. You can lock in your jig for that. All right, what's really unique about this heel itself right here is the fact that you have 3 locations here that you can lock in, which actually gives you 5 different offset settings for your trim type. With the ruler-like heel here, you also are able to lay out coming up against this rather than having to minus the 3/16 thickness of the heel. All right, as you see, there's 2 different types. You have the vial levels and non-vial with 3/16 heel. Both have their perks, and so let's check this out. So this obviously, it's like a torpedo, little mini torpedo here, and then the offsets are built in here for whatever trim style you run into. Here, it does it with the heel, as we covered. And what is slick about that is if you're using 3/16 as your spacer for whatever type of material you have, this will do it, plus you have your offsets. This here has the offsets 1/2 inch thick with the level. So whatever style of work you do, it caters to either. We have you covered.